Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse, how to use TTSFree.com. TTSFree.com is a free online text-to-speech tool that allows users to convert written text into spoken audio. I'll show you in this video how you can use it effectively. First, visit the website. Go to TTSFree.com in your web browser. TTSFree.com offers 4 plans: the free guest and member plans, and the paid basic and premium plans. The guest plan provides basic features without sign up, while the member plan includes higher limits and more voices. For more advanced needs, the basic plan adds features like higher character limits, and the premium plan offers the fullest range of options, including premium voices and priority processing. Let's just create a free account. Just follow the procedure in creating an account. Once done creating the account, then let's proceed. On the homepage, you'll find a text box where you can type or paste a text you want to convert to speech. TTS-free may have a character limit per use, so if you have a lengthy text, you might need to divide it into sections. Next, choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. After selecting a language, pick from available voices, male, female, regional accents if available. Next, you can adjust the voice pitch and voice speed however you like. Once you're satisfied with it, then simply click on the Convert button. The site will generate the audio for the text you entered. After processing, you'll have options to play the audio or download it as an MP3 file. Downloading the file allows you to save the audio and use it offline. I'll give you a few tips. For large text or high-quality audio needs, TTS-free may have limits, and upgrading to a paid service may offer more features. Experiment with different voices and languages for various tones and accents. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.